Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best lunch boxes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Zojirushi Classic Bento Vacuum Insulated Lunch Jar. This sleek lunchbox from Zojirushi delivers on both functionality and aesthetics. Its 3 compartments enable you to divide your meal into courses, to pack a nice afternoon snack, or to keep wet items separate from dry foods, and the containers fit tidily into a vacuum-insulated cylindrical jar for easy transport. The small 9-ounce bowl, a 14-ounce bowl, and a large 20-ounce bowl are all BPA-free and microwavable, with the jar and insulated carrying case providing a decent amount of heat retention. Point 1. The jar provides additional protection against leaks since, if any happens, they'll be self-contained. This also comes with utensils that pack snugly into the case. Vanda Asapu, chef and co-owner of Iaratai in Los Angeles, celebrates this particular lunchbox. I love traditional Thai/Indian tiffin lunch boxes with multiple tiers, which separate salads from rice from hot food, yet keep it all stacked together, she says. In middle school, my parents and I would pack my lunch in a classic Thai tiffin lunch box, called Pintu, in Thai. Sometimes it would be rice with 2 dishes and snacks/desserts in my 4-tier box, and sometimes it would be a DIY sandwich kit with salad and a piece of last night's dessert. I've always hated a soggy sandwich, and the tiffin box allowed me to assemble my own at school. Today, to keep hot food insulated, I love the Zojirushi Classic Bento Vacuum Lunch Jar. Number 2. Second best pick is Lokass Insulated Lunch Bag. When you find yourself in an environment where you don't have easy access to a refrigerator, like a classroom or certain workplaces, an insulated lunch bag can be a mealtime savior. Nadia Sharif, a registered dietitian and staff health advisor at Coffeeable, the Lokass lunch bag has impressive insulation properties while also serving as a stylish accessory. It comes in a variety of fun prints to match your casual post-COVID work attire, she says. It's lightweight, yet durable. It's fashionable enough to carry on your arm during your commute, yet functional as can be. Sharif is especially a fan of the Lokass bag's functionality. It's easy to clean out and amp, reuse daily, and excellent at storing food at the right temp in any season, says Sharif. I particularly like the wide mouth for ease of access and because it's a snap to fit a variety of container sizes within it. There are extra pockets outside for those who want to include utensils and amp, drinks, but they're completely flattened if not in use. This makes it easy to downsize the size of this lunchbox if you wish to keep the lunch and amp load on the leaner side. Number 3. Third best pick is Bentgo Kids Lunch Box. When selecting a lunch box for a younger kid, it's helpful to seek out a model that's specifically designed for a small child's dexterity, food-related needs, and ability to randomly drop things. The Bentgo Kids Children's Lunch Box amply delivers on all fronts, with its insertable compartment tray built around portion sizes that work well for kids aged 3 to 7. Love the Bentgo with its easy close lid and perfect portion dividers for Bento-Style lunches, says Wood. They're great for young kids and have tons of colors to choose from. They're leak-proof and microwave-safe, for you can even serve hot foods. Inside the drop-proof, rounded corner shell, you'll find 4 different sized areas, with a 2-tablespoon dipping well in the middle. The shell also features latch closures that can be easily manipulated by small hands. The tray is safe in the microwave and freezer, plus can be cleaned on the top rack of your dishwasher. You will need to pick up an additional carrying case, especially one that is insulated and has room for drinks and utensils. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Bento-Heaven Deluxe Bento Lunch Box. It's easy to fall in love with bento boxes. After all, they combine precise organization with a pleasurable eating experience, and they're designed to not take up too much room in your bag. This version by Bento-Heaven offers excellent sealing technology to avoid leaks and keep your food fresh and temperature stable. This package includes everything you need for a great lunch break, since the food containers are separated by lids and dividers and a set of utensils. We sent this to the home of one of our testers. She found that her lunch and snacks stayed separated after some time carrying it around in her bag, with no leaks. Other testing observations included that the smaller utensils may be uncomfortable to grasp and use. For example, the spoon has a flat shape and holds less than a half teaspoon. Some foods might be fine, but eating soup could take forever, said our tester. The chopsticks also aren't designed for large hands. That all said, being safe in the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer makes this extremely useful for most adults. The Bento Heaven Premium Lunch Box comes in a variety of colors, but they all feature a bamboo panel on the lid, a nod to more traditional bento boxes. Number 5. Fifth best pick is CTSZOOM Self-Cooking Electric Lunch Box. Those who cherish a hot meal while on the clock will find a lot of use for an electric lunchbox, which can both cook dishes a la minute and heat up pre-cooked dishes anywhere that has a power source. This 300-watt version is lightweight, easy to carry, it includes a built-in top handle, and highly efficient at both cooking and warming. All you need is a 110-volt outlet to plug it into. How an electric lunch cooker works is similar to a vegetable steamer. You place water in the base, which contains a heating element. You layer in the stainless steel tiers, which contain your food, and are separated by a layer with vents. Put on the lid, snap it closed, and turn it on. Wait the allotted amount of time, and then, you've got a nice hot lunch to enjoy. If something happens and it runs out of water, a safety feature shuts off the unit automatically to prevent burning. Since it's essentially a steamer, this is perfect for rice, hard-boiled eggs, and vegetables, but can also heat up meats and noodle dishes. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.